Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to remote desktop services, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing to remote desktop services, first, ensure you have a Microsoft account. This account is essential for accessing remote desktop features. Next, visit the official Microsoft website or open the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. Look for the Remote Desktop Services section or navigate through your account settings. You will be presented with different subscription plans. Take your time to review each plan's features and pricing. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and click on it. After selecting your plan, you may need to enter your payment details. Provide the necessary billing information as prompted. Review your order summary for accuracy before proceeding. Once you confirm your purchase, you will receive a confirmation email. This email contains details about your subscription and any necessary setup instructions. Next, open the Remote Desktop app on your device. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials linked to your subscription. After signing in, navigate to the My Resources or Remote Resources section. Here, you should see the available desktops and applications included in your subscription. Click on a resource to initiate a remote connection. Follow any additional prompts to establish the connection. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Troubleshooting section on the Microsoft website. Now you can start using remote desktop services for your remote work needs. Remember to log out after each session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.